Hello there, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to FX Billionaire Hub's daily gold analysis. Okay, and as per our yesterday's analysis, as you can see there is same drawing, and we told that from that particular area we can take buy entry, and it's running almost 800 plus pips. Okay, 800 plus pips. We have taken 800 plus pips, and right now for today's candle, market is trying to act bearish. So we will analyze the support or resistance zone or trend line zone, and we will try to find out today's market path or direction. Okay, so let's remove all of previous drawing first, then we can dive into deeper analysis. So as per our trading style or analysis style, we need to go for a higher time frame to find out our market direction or market path. Then we will find out our entry in H1 or H4 time frame. Okay, for daily time frame, as you can see there, after 3 days of continuous selling, and there was a bullish candle, that means yesterday's candle, and today it's also trying to go bearish. So let's check out what can be possible movement for today now. Okay, so as you can see there is a trend line, and for daily time frame, and if I want to make it a little bit bigger, so let's say it's for there, and there is a breakout pullback again, just trying to go down, and maybe there is today seller are continuing to sell because today is the last day of this trading week, and some seller are trying to close their entry today. That means who hold their trades for long run. So we have to consider that issue also. Let's get back into H4 time frame to get a clear visible or clear view. As you can see there, so we can see there is also a trend line, and there is nothing to say or nothing to do. So we need to find out our entry or path in H1 time frame. Okay, and for H1 time frame, let's draw again H4 time frames. Okay, you can see there. Okay, let me make it a little bit perfect for now. And as you can see there, if I want to draw the upper trend line, as you can see, it can be here to here. Okay, perfect. There is a X setup format, and if I want to draw another one like here to here, okay, as you can see there, let's remove previous one, and there is a channel or pattern format over here. Okay, and as you can see there, market is just there is bearish breakout, then pullback, then again down, up, and trying to go down, and this is the current scenario. So what you should do for now, or what we can do now, as you can see there is also a upper channel trend line, so we have to wait for that particular area, then we can sell. Otherwise, if you're looking for buy, you have to wait that particular area, then after a candle confirmation, like as you can see there is pin bar confirmation to go sell, there is a confirmation to go buy, there is confirmation, there is also confirmation. Okay, there is also reversal confirmation to go sell, and with proper candle confirmation we can sell here, or we can buy here with proper candle confirmation. So for now there is no entry for H1 time frame. If you want to sell from here, like here, your SL should be here, that means here. So if your entry is here, TP is here. Okay, so there can be 1:1 risk reward ratio. Okay, risk reward ratio. So as per we are tracking 1:3 risk reward ratio, we don't want to take this entry. SL will be much bigger than as usual, so we have to avoid that for now. And what I told you, we have to wait till that particular area, and if we get a reversal confirmation to go sell, then we can take sell entry. Okay, or that particular area. Okay, then we can take a sell entry. Otherwise, if it go directly sell, for buy we need to wait for a candle confirmation to go buy, or if it give us a bullish breakout like that, then we will wait for pullback, then after a candle confirmation, that means buying confirmation on this particular zone, we can take buy entry. Otherwise, another scenario can happen here, it can give us a bearish breakout, then we have to wait for the pullback, then we can take the buy entry. So that can be happen, and that is the current scenario for H1 time frame. So let's remove all of H1 time frame. So let's get back for M15 or M5 time frame. Okay, let's go back for 15 time frame to check the market situation for scalpers. Okay, for in 15 time frame, as you can see there is a trend line. Okay, and also there is a trend line. Okay, that can be touched here. Okay, there is a trend line, and it's like each one time frame market is following this trend line. Okay, so either we have to wait for that particular area, and if it give us a bearish movement like that, we have to wait for that particular area. After market reach this two particular area, then we can decide what we have to do. If market give us a breakout, then we will wait for pullback, then we can go for buy. Otherwise, if it give us a bearish pullback breakout, then we have to wait for pullback, then we can take buy entry after candle confirmation. So no entry for now, we have to wait more to take entry, and I am considering to take sell entry more than buy entry. Okay, if there is much more confirmation, like 90% plus confirmation, 95%, 99% confirmation to go buy, then I will consider the buy entry. Otherwise, I will consider sell entry today, because market is going to close sell today from my point of view. And if you ask me, Mr. Boom, why, as you can see there is already sell candle confirmed, and Friday as usual sellers or buyers are trying to take their profit. Like suppose someone buy there, and as per the Friday he want to close this here his buy entry today, because everyone want to start fresh entry in Monday. That means everyone wants to close his all of trade end of the week. Okay, that can be a reason for swing trader. Okay, and hopefully all things clear now. If you have any more query or question, or any more curiosity about this analysis, you may reach me on Telegram channel t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box. And we are sharing a lot of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, and market updates into our public Telegram channel, so you may join there to get each and every update in each and every moment. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.